Yo, what up, what up? How you guys doing? Got the new setup running. Different room as well. So hopefully the mic quality is okay. Let me know. And let me pop up some music. Right. Music is not loud, hopefully. Right, this is like you know, gotta test everything out. I hopefully I test everything right, but yeah, this is the new office, guys. We'll do more quality recording here as well, more educationals. So yeah, let me go to TradingView. Let me see if that works. Yes, a little bit stretched my face, but whatever. Anyway, okay, let me move some stuff around. Right. Right. It is working. Let me go to the chat. My bad, guys. Damn, it's Johnny Sins. Yes. Yes, I'm bald. Yes, it's true. Let me see. Clayton, what up, man? The London boy. Is Wood here? What's that? Wood. Something very special on this stream? Not really, Deva. We're gonna go over all the episodes we did so far. Next episode should launch tomorrow, but I'm kind of delayed on the PDF, so maybe in 2 days. What's up? New haircut? Yes, Million Block. Fuck you, man. Yeah. Are you Vikings? No, I'm not. Crystal clear? Okay, that sounds good, guys. Sounds good. Thank you, Jared, man. Fix that stretch. I don't know how to fix the stretch. I don't know. I don't know. Can I like increase it? No, I don't know. I don't know how to fix it. Maybe this is a little bit better, but it's whatever. Maybe a little bit down. It's whatever. Doesn't matter. Okay, let me do this. Alright. If you guys paid attention to the series, you know now what to look for, right? With highs and lows. Right? So how many, tell me honestly, right? How many of you guys took trade setups in this range? And how many of you guys got stopped out break even or took a loss? Maybe a small winner? Like, be honest with me. Danzal Mena, you live in Nairobi, Kenya. Great to see you. You're 19 and you got a lot of insights from me and the MMXM trader. That's good to hear, man. Thank you. We got all the great insights from ICT himself, so happy to help other people. Alright, so you took a loss shorting EU yesterday. Should have traded GU. Clayton. I don't really think any of these assets were high probability. So, at least not for longs. So, most important part is waiting for key levels, guys. Hopefully that's the big takeaway. You don't need to trade every single movement in the market. You don't have to be in every single move. You don't have to know every day where price will go. You need to be in the highest probability expansion. That's it. You don't need to trade every single day. Last week, let's go back. 2 weeks ago, how's this thing moving? 2 weeks ago, I took 0 trades. Last week, I took 2 trades made more money than in one day than I made like three times my old monthly wage, like in one day. And I waited 2 weeks for one setup. That's the perspective. You don't need to trade more. You need to have more capital, right? Because yeah, maybe if you have like a 10K account, you have to take 15 trades. And then me with one trade will make exactly the same as you with 15 trades. That's the perspective. So always try to go for more capital rather than more trades. Forcing more trades is not the way to go. Waiting for sell side of the curve? Yes, that's the correct thing to do. And if you trade within this range, right? This is the thing. If you guys watched the daily bias video, very good feedback I got on that one. Like the last video, make sure to check it out. It's on my channel, right? So you should know that you want to be in a candle that you 100% are clear that you're gonna go higher or lower. Like you don't need to be in every single daily candle. So if you let's go to the why is my session disconnected? We go to the daily, right? Like over here. After these candles here, you are 100% clear that we want to go to this high, right? Then you're gonna look for an entry in this candle. If you're in this type of price action here, you're not really sure where price will go, right? So why do you want to force a setup when when you're not 100% confident in the next daily candle expansion, right? Even let's see, even here, if there's like nothing showing you that there's a high probability expansion coming up, just sit it out, man. Just chill. There's no reason to force a setup. What am I looking for right now? I am waiting because I have marked out many ICT traders, hopefully, if they study properly, would wait for this daily fair value gap, which is above us here, right? Many of us should wait for that. If you are not waiting for this, then you're probably a little bit clueless on how to read the structure itself. So make sure to watch the more ICT videos on structure, or watch my last video on daily bias that explains it as well. But you need an order pairing high to low if you want to have a high probability trade and a key level, right? That's what I explain in my third episode of the series, which is order pairing, right? And then daily bias should finalize everything for you. Next episode will be how to trade market maker models, right? Very important. And we'll outline that in the next video. So we're going to talk about that. Yo, didn't know you are bald? Musilla? I mean, come on, man. Yes, I'm bald. But I might be bald, but I have money. So doesn't really matter. I'd rather have more money and be bald than have a luscious big bush of hair on my head and be poor. You know? Mind looking at GJ? Yes, I do. I don't want to look at JPY pairs, especially with yeah. Now, how come this is? If you Ibrahim, right? You look you typed in 3 times look at GJ. Why do you think GJ is going like this? If you can tell me that, then we're gonna review that, because you gotta think about one certain thing when you analyze these pairs, and this is one you should kind of avoid. So you are baller? Yes. Yes, Tom93, yeah. Yes. Yes, yes. Are we waiting for the market to reach out that marked out zone on your chart? Do you mean this one above? Yes. I don't think it's done yet. I don't think this is the where we're gonna reverse from right now during this session. I think it can run up one more time a little bit deeper. Do I trade Nasdaq? I do not. No, I don't. I don't touch indices. No, sir. Relative strength. Yes, that is exactly what we need to wait. Look, this relative strength here. You can see the pound is pushing up, right? If you look at the pound, even when DXY started to move higher, this one is still slightly pushing higher or starts to go sideways, right? And then if you look at JPY futures, it's also bullish. So you're pairing up two strong currencies with each other, and then you get this piece of shit here. So you avoid this one. It's not good to trade, honestly. What do I think about EU and GU? I think wait. I think wait, because we need to go a little bit deeper into the gap. Stop calling me Johnny Sings, guys. Stop. What if DXY fair value gap gets inversed? Good question. What do you think, Infobola? You are in buy EU trade? No, I'm not. I'm not in any trade. Can I check US oil? No thanks. No. Nice music, yes. I don't hear any music though, because I don't have my headset on, but I know it's jazz. I can slightly hear it though. Slightly. You are Jason Statham of the trading space, sir. I wish I was Jason Statham, bro. That's a badass man. Badass. Love you, man, Mr. OTE. Atash. I don't know you, but I love you too, man. Thanks for joining the stream. Appreciate that. Do I use quarterly theory? I do not. No. I use ICT concepts. I don't use any... how should I phrase it? I don't know how to phrase it. I will just stick with ICT concepts as they are provided by me in the core content. Right, let's take a peek. Let's take a peek at everything here. What's going on? Price action seems to be compressed at the moment, so don't really trust that we're gonna go higher from here. It is still possible, but low probability in my opinion. I'm very worried about higher prices on majors because there's a lot of sell-side liquidity on GU. EU is in an inverse 1 hour gap. We might push higher, but not in my playbook. I don't like it. So I will wait. USD JPY. I think it should still draw lower. It doesn't look that good either. It's like a kind of mid-week so far. not too high probability, so waiting is required until that one daily candle pops up, and then you gotta be locked in. If you're not locked in on that one daily candle, you're fucking up. Stay focused. Hello from Kenya. Welcome, welcome Kenya. What's your model? I'm outlining it right now on YouTube for free. Free trading model, time frame alignment model. Trade exactly like me. But you can already see a sneak peek, honestly, because I have it's called the only trading model you will ever need. So I do a simulation there. I have a short version and a longer version, so you can exactly see how I trade already. But I'm breaking it down in sort of a free course right now, so you guys can digest it easily if you want to trade the same type of model, right? But it's basically order pairing, premium discount, SMT, key levels. One shot, one kill, one would say. Weekly expansion trade. Would you long on DXY if the price retraces back to discount? No. No. There's no, I don't wanna long in a bearish order flow on the higher time frame. I don't wanna long here. Doesn't mean that this one can push up higher today. That's still possible, obviously. But I'd rather wait for shorts. So I wait for a retracement back into premium. And then if the time frames are aligned, then I will look for shorts. Yes. Do you hold overnight often? I prefer not. No. I will hold if it's a weekly expansion trade and I'm in early in the week. But I don't like to hold over the weekend 100%, especially with Trump in office. I do not hold trades over the weekend. 100% no. Let's look at the bonds real quick. This is not in sync either. Let's see. Yeah, I'm not too convinced yet. However, if structure allows it, I will definitely look for longs. Probably not today. Because think about it, right? This is a piece of patience you need to learn. Like, you want to be in the trade, you want to be in the long, you're expecting longs. Let's say you're expecting higher prices on Euro USD. A lot of traders, they see this happen and they already go in because they think, okay, let me just get in because this looks like it's probably low, but it has no context or narrative. This one is same thing. It could go higher here, and it has a little bit of context because of the daily fair value gap on DXY, but there's no structure. So I don't need to catch this. I don't need to get in here, but if it's confirmed and I get in here, I can still catch this entire move, right? That's the perspective. Right, let me catch up on the chat, guys. It's going fast. I saw GBP JPY on your screen. What do you expect for GBP JPY? I don't expect anything. It's a terrible asset to trade right now. You're from Ethiopia. Where are you from? I'm from the Netherlands, man. So we're very close, like almost neighbors. Do I look like spam? Weekly, Emra. Weekly profile midweek reversal. I mean, yeah, that's probable. Yeah, definitely. Is MMXM same as Wyckoff? No. No. Looks like the first stage of distribution is printing on UJ in 1 hour. If we get institutional sponsorship on DXY, we should be good to look for shorts here. Probably not today. I would agree, yes. I would agree with that. Yeah. Yeah, this looks good. Kinda hard to See where to get in though. Probably not today, like you said. The 15. Yeah, the thing is, it looks like it might top out, and it could. But like I said, there's no structure, and this might as well just go back to discount and then continue up to go a little bit deeper into the fair value gap. So I'd rather wait, you know? I'd rather wait a little bit, see if we can reach a little bit deeper in that gap, you know? I'm missing a lot of chat messages, guys. Sorry if I do, but try to keep up with them. How many trades do I take per week? Probably around 1 or 2 in these conditions. Sometimes not. But last year, for example, last year in June and July, I took like 6-7 trades a week, and that's when the conditions are good. You can do a lot more, you know. But right now it's more of a patient market. Do you still recommend watching core content, even even when I have MMXM cores 1 and 2? You should always watch core content. That's the source of everything. The courses we have is just breaking it down with easily digestible information. But you should always study core content. I've studied core content, I think, 3 times. And people are a little bit lazy and they want to watch it on 1.5 or 2x. Don't do that, man. Just listen to his rants as well, because a lot of his rants also have information in them. So... glad to learn from people like Tom. I'm still in my teen years and I'm proud of the effort you put on YouTube. Thank you, sir. Denzel Maina. My Maina. Get more insights on the 1H trading model I use. And my brother, man, if you just wait until my series is complete on YouTube, you will have all the information I use. So you gotta wait a little bit. So tomorrow or the day after we'll drop this next episode. Then the week after the last episode, so to say. And then we're gonna do an extensive long ass simulation of me trading the model. It's probably gonna be 1.5 or 2 hours long. And then you can literally watch for 2 hours straight what I look for. And I'm gonna outline my thought process as well. I'm gonna be like, okay, I see this and this happening, I'm waiting for this and this daily candle might be low probability, so I might not look for it right now. And now I see this continuation pattern form, now I'm gonna look for this type of trade, you know. This is gonna be outlined in the simulation. The simulation is gonna be very good in my opinion, because everybody can make an educational video on a concept with hindsight examples, like most YouTubers do. I've never seen anybody do a simulation with a random date, and if they cannot, then I don't know, like just do it with a random date, you know, so you don't know what the price action is. You're gonna peek before, like, oh, it's 2018, let me just quickly peek what the daily time frame looks like, and then you remember, you know. What do I think of the 2024 mentorship? I have not watched it, and I will not watch it. Core content is the best piece of content out there. You don't need any other mentorship, in my opinion. At least not a playlist. Are you trading when there's FOMC? Not if it's FOMC statement. If it's meeting minutes like we have today, like at 2 p.m. we have meeting minutes, I will, if there's something I will trade it, but I don't think I will. I mean, the ADR is pretty small, so there should be a lot of room still to go. So what I'm waiting for is a DXY running higher, and then I want to look for shorts. That's what I'm waiting for. I don't trust these highs that are set, especially because the time they are set is 6:45. It's not a key time. I don't think it's a strong high. Yes, it took out the high here. It is an order pairing high, but it doesn't mean straight up we're gonna go lower, right? Will you execute on the 5-minute and below time frame in the simulation? Hell no, man. Fuck off with the 5-minute and the 1-minute. No. 15-minute is the lowest time frame I trade. I don't go lower than the 15. Did wonders for my consistency, 100%. You love simulations? Good. Do I share calls and trades take in the paid Discord group? Yes, I share my analysis. I'm not a signal service, so I don't send every single trader setup I take myself as a signal. If you're looking for signals, you know, I'm not the guy. But I will break down everything before it happens and break down what confirms sell side of the curve, buy side of the curve, and all that good stuff. Is the 1 hour CSD on GU valid? Let's have a look. What CSD? There's no CSD on GBP USD. I don't know where. Do we have a different feed? I think we do. There's no CSD here. No, sir. I will wait and see what DXY does today. And then tomorrow probably will have a good indication what it wants to do. You swear every time you go below the 15, you lose? Yes, exactly. So stop going below 15-minute time frame. For me, personally, 15 minutes is the holy grail. Stop moving thingy. Stop moving. Oh, man. Love your approach to trading, made me more patient and profitable. Yeah, patience is what kills most traders. Like, they do not have it. If you feel the urge to take a trade because you haven't taken a trade in 3 days, then you are in the gambling mindset. Where am I from? I'm from the Netherlands, my dude. Oh, squeeze the soul out of my body. Okay, let me scan through these charts a little bit, see what's going on. Got a new 4-hour candle opening up soon. So we're leaving a 4-hour fair value gap behind as well, right? That can still be used for lower prices. Just because like the 5-minute looks like it's going bullish right now doesn't mean the entire higher time frame will flip here, right? They're building a lot of sell side liquidity here, so I'm very, very careful here. I don't want to short this. Like I don't ever like to see this below my ass, man. If this is below me, when I want a long, yeah, might as well pull my pants down straight up and take it, you know? Doesn't mean it can't go higher. I'm just saying I'm not trading when that's below me, you know? It might as well just top out here on DXY and then it will drop lower, and tomorrow I will look for more shorts on DXY, right? But today, no. What software am I using for streaming? It's OBS. OBS Studio, my dude. Planning to join LOC? Do you drop new educational content aside from course 3 that is given for free? Yes, the MMXM trader makes educational videos. Next one is about open interest. So that will drop this week. The previous one was about COT data. I dropped some education about candle closures as well. So it's outside of the free, so to say. Every time I touch this microphone arm, it starts wobbling. I like how you break down the charts, top-down analysis in the simulation examples. Yes, sir. Hopefully the thought process will resonate with some of you. Is this the new office? Yes, it is, man. Camera's looking sweet as well. Let's go full screen, yeah. Mewing. Gotta keep up with the kids, you know. Gotta be on that Sigma grind set, you guys know, right? I mew every day so I can be a chat, you know how it goes. $31, by the way. I'm gonna do you better. I'm 33. Yeah. 33, by the way. Why are you guys saying damn? Come on, man. Hell, you're gonna be 33 too. So fuck you. Yeah. You didn't think about that, right? Pushing... Can somebody ban this guy? I mean, he says pushing 40, bro. I just broke out of 30, man. What you talking about? What the hell? How do you deal with the opposite PD array? For example, daily time frame is bullish and the 1 hour fair value gap aligning with a 15-minute fair value gap, but we have a 4-hour CB and premium as a resistance. What would we do? Holy shit. Let me reread that again. Okay. How to deal with the opposite PD array? Daily time frame is bullish and 1 hour fair value gap aligning with the 15-minute fair value gap, but we have a 4-hour CB. You gotta beware, every bearish fair value gap on the way with your bullish order flow will be used as a point of reaccumulation, and it will continue push through it and use it as a support level. So if you are in bullish daily order flow and you see a 4-hour fair value gap which is bearish, don't care about that. You know it will draw in there, it will probably accumulate, do a manipulation below the lows where it accumulated, and then push up once again. That's how you should approach those fair value gaps. You are looking 23? Give this man fucking flowers, man. Let's go, dude. Shardul Gaikwat. Gaikwat. Or Gaikwat. I don't know. Sorry if I pronounce your name wrong. CRT rebranded the MMXM traders next day model. Yeah, I'm not gonna give my opinion on CRT, bro. We're not gonna do that. The only thing that I would say, and that goes for every single mentor out there, if there's some sort of a cult forming around it, and there's like these sheep who keep white knighting and defending it with their lives like it matters, it's the most cringe-inducing behavior, bro. I'm not gonna lie. My friend 33 is on sell side of the curve now. Yeah, he's going downhill. What did I do before trading? I was a head chef of a restaurant. And I used to be a plumber, a doctor, and also an astronaut. So you've probably seen videos. But now we're doing trading. That's why he cooks so hard, yeah. Cooking Cooking in the kitchen and cooking on the charts. Yeah. Where's my dog today? Didn't invite him over? No, my wife's outside with the dog. Oh. JR. What the fuck? Longs look good or what? See ya done. Why is it disconnecting the session? Stop. Hello? TradingView doesn't want me here. I see. Let's see what this one is doing. Still sells out of the curve. Yes, sir. We did not take out this low yet, so we're still expecting lower prices on Euro GBP. Now, what does that mean? Euro GBP lower? You chat, tell me. What does that mean? Euro GBP lower. What team do I support in soccer? I don't watch soccer, my bruh. No, I think that's the most boring game. I'm sorry if you're a big soccer fan, but I find it very boring. Can we see one more run up on DXY with this session? I think so. I think we can. Yeah, we should. On EU, good longs? No. No. Pound stronger than the euro? Exactly. Nijcooks. Nijcooks. So if DXY is bearish at one point, we're gonna long GBP USD, right? Because we know Euro GBP is bearish, so the pound is stronger, so we wanna go with GBP USD. GU is about to fly. You guys, stop unloading too fast. You don't know if it will fly right now. You don't know if EU will fly. It's not set in stone yet. There's no confirmation yet. Okay. Just let me say this. If you look at this, you say bearish or bullish? Why is everybody so trigger happy on higher prices here? I don't understand, man. I don't. No. This looks bearish, right? And again, it doesn't mean it can go higher from here. It can. But if you just wait for the structure that is over here, and wait for the same structure over here, then you'll be in confirmed buy side of the curve instead of, I think it will go bullish here because whatever. I never tried to catch a smart money reversal. Right? This could be the smart money reversal right now. But I don't know. I don't know yet. Not confirmed for me. So I'd rather, like, other people can get in over here and they win, right? They take a good trade. That's totally fine. It's not my model. You can't compare your model with another person's model, and your model is not better than his, or his model is not better than yours. You just trade your model, apply proper risk management, and that's what you do, right? Yeah, I'm still not comfortable with this, man. I'm not gonna touch this. I'm not gonna long this. Not today. If the structure today confirms that we're going into buy side of the curve on the euro, then yes, I will look for it 100%. But right now, no. No. EU forming market maker buy model. Maybe, yes, maybe, could be. Again, we don't know yet. How many models do you have? I use two models. UJ was clean today. Let's see. It's not bad. No, yeah, you're right. It's not bad. Little gap here. Whoops. He's in a trade. Did you see the P&L indicator? Open up your MetaTrader. When you mark order blocks, will you mark the whole series of downclose candles, or will you start it at the candle that swept liquidity? That definitely depends on how it looks like. I would, like, for example here, I would take the entire block, because there are beefy bodies, small wicks, right? Same thing over here. I would just take these bodies here. If you want, this is the thing, if you want to get in on the trade on an order block, you take the highest part of the order block and put your stop loss below, right? Because a dealing range low always has an order block and a low attached to each other. Right? The low is attached to the order block. That's high probability. So if you want to get in, you get in on the wick of the order block or the body. You don't wait for the lowest candle. Do you trade low risk buy? I trade first distribution stage. Yeah, I prefer. This is the thing. If you wanna, and you can anticipate the smart money reversal, and the smart money reversal is confirmed by the low risk buy or low risk sell, and then the lag that comes out of there, that is the sweetest lag, because that is the money lag. And then the second stage distribution or reaccumulation is should be the fastest move out of there as well, because it will complete the market maker model. Keep it on DXY for now. See, there's nothing much going on. The market is very low in volume, just like yesterday and the day before. So low volume is no sponsorship, which means no sponsorship is no sustained move will probably occur until that happens. So patience is required. What do you trust more, order blocks or fair value gaps? I would I prefer to trade fair value gaps. Yeah, I only use old highs and lows and fair value gaps with market structure. That's the key thing I'm waiting for. Yeah. What is a low risk buy for you? It's the same that as it is for you. It's non-negotiable. It's the same every time. It's just a stage of a market maker model. How do I confirm or reveal? I do not know what you mean, my friend, with that question. You said the high on DXY was created at a time you don't like. Do you use time dilation? No, I don't use time dilation. No. No. Jared. Thoughts on gold, please! Exclamation mark. 3 times. Stop shouting at me, man. Come on. Okay. Just because you shouted at me, I will look a little bit. Yeah. Gold is perma bull. So the only sensible thing you should do every time is wait for a short-term low to get rated and then buy it. That's the only thing you should do with gold. Shorting gold long term is not sustainable. Yo, Mr. Slim, what up? Can we check USD CHF? Yeah, we can. My favorite pair, USD CHF. My favorite pair to trade is a CHF pair. CHF, yeah. Anyway, this is the same thing with DXY, right? We want to see this go lower, but we need to have some sponsorship behind it. Today can confirm lower prices, though. The way the today's candle closes can, how the candle closes today will be a higher probability for the direction. There's zero sponsorship at the moment for multiple pairs. Can you name your models? The order pairing model and what is the other model? Is the confirmation model. Like it is almost exactly the same as order pairing, but with an extra step in it. What is a key time? Here's the thing with highs and lows. I like certain highs and lows to be created within a kill zone session. If there's SMT within a kill zone session and the high prints there, for me that's a stronger high than some random high created at like 5:30 a.m. or even Asia session. I don't like Asia session highs or lows. It's always a target for me. Where's the music? Oh wait, did it stop? Oh, thanks for notifying me. YouTube was like, "Are you still watching?" No, bitch, I'm listening to music, man. Just keep playing. Nobody asked. Just keep playing, man. But yeah, thank you. GBP CHF weekly premium for value. Oh man, GBP CHF. Yes, let's go. CHF. GBP CHF. Look at that. What are those? You Man, why you so ugly? Stupid box. Okay, let me do this. This. This one on top. This could be the smart money reversal, right? What you need to see is violation. Violation, yeah? So you wait for this one to get traded below. This could be nice. So violation. This needs to print first. This inside of the violated OB. The best trade setup happens here. I don't care for this piece. I care for this piece here. Oh my lord. If that develops, I will do another live stream. I will call out whoever called it, Robinson Singh. He has to co-host the next stream with me. Why am I not able to join your Discord? What do you mean, Atash? You should be able, right? Right, so once price is here, I will put an alert here. I will keep my eyes on this. I'm not gonna lie. The man just sparked something inside of me on a CHF pair. Right, let me check this. 1 second. Okay. Where's my lemonade? I had a coffee, but don't worry, we got it. You know. Lemonade gang. Euro CHF is ready though? My lord. What is that abomination? No. Is DXY cooked? Maybe it's cooked. Depends on how today's candle closes. It's gonna be very interesting. This is the thing with candle closures. If you guys haven't watched the latest episode, right, go watch it. Don't be lazy, watch it. There's a candle closure piece of information in there as well. If it closes properly, I can look for something tomorrow. And Friday probably will be distribution. If you guys looked at the economic calendar, by the way, Friday has a lot of PMI news, so that's gonna be a big mover. Like the last couple of weeks, Fridays did move pretty good. Not mistaken. Even this Friday, yeah. And this Friday as well, like big move. So I would not be surprised if we move big on this Friday as well. And USD CHF is also a potential asset. And ideally, I do really prefer if DXY can run a little bit higher first again, but it's not required. If it does run lower today, tomorrow is easy cookings. Ingredients have been given, now we can cook. Where have you been, Uguay? MXM Cobra. Master Uguay. You always use the first leg of accumulation and distribution to confirm your moves? No, the low risk buy or sell confirms the move, and then I will try to get in on the first stage. That is what I do. How to join your Discord? I mean, there's a link in the description. You can join over there. Can we check NZD USD? Let's see what's cooking over there. How's this music, by the way? I need to hear what's going on. I had to cut the cords myself, make it fit the fucking window. I lose my mind, man. I painted the walls. I drilled holes in the wall for the shelves, you know. Went shopping to the gardening store, you know. Pick up some flowers, make it look nice. What a work, bro. I mean, 2 days, like 2 or 3 days. Much respect for hard-working construction workers. Music is cool as fuck. Tell me the name. Let me see. I just have a random copyright-free YouTube playlist. Let me see. It's called. Oh, let's see. Oh shit. It's not. It's skipped to. I was on a non-copyright music list, and now it's switched to copyright. Whatever. I'm gonna get claimed. It's okay. But it's called Gibran Olkoser. Shit. Let me see if I can copy the name for you. Where are you? Where are you? Can I reply? Like that. Tom, do you trade Nasdaq? Nope, I do not. I'm a pure Forex trader, so yeah. Let's look at USD JPY. Okay, let's look at it. I mean, yeah, it's still we want to see it go lower. That should be the draw. JPY is very strong at the moment. disconnect, man. Don't disconnect. I'm just a little bit wary about DXY. I don't think it will. I don't think it will do a dive with this session. Because how the highs are created and everything, I'm still a little bit careful here. I don't want to instantly go into Euro USD longs or GBP USD longs, right? So I'd rather wait for the daily candle to close. But I think this will run the high again, go deeper into the fair value gap, and then I want to see a reversal. That would be the ideal scenario. Thanks a lot, OTE. Experience live. Herzlichen willkommen, mein Freund. What's my real name? My real name is Tom. Man, it's 9:30 already. There's equity open. Let's do a little peek at indices. Yeah, indices are also perma bull, so the only thing you should do is wait for a low to get swiped and then buy again. Yeah, no, I can't trade indices. Does not look ideal for me. No real displacement lower on DXY as well. No, exactly. Doesn't mean it can't go down. Obviously, if it goes down and the daily candle closures proper, we can still look for lower prices tomorrow. But you know, your current series is super knowledgeable. Thanks a lot. Thank you, Surya S. Wealth Awakening 2. How do we join the Discord? There's a link in the description. You can tap it over there, or go to our website. It's on the screen as well. I can do this, and then just like below me there's the link. Do you trade gold? 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 One more time, please. No, I don't trade gold. You are bald, One Punch Man. Right? Yeah. That is a this is not worth live streaming. Today is kind of worth live streaming, but there's no real displacement happening, so it's turning into a lower. There's a lot of room to go down here. You can position yourself tomorrow. You can position yourself Friday. Yeah, you go. You have to register at the reception right now, get a ticket, and you have to do overtime because you clocked in. and you're trading in the middle of the range. If you just wait for one side of the range to get taken out and shows willingness to trade to the other side, then you will be in a better and higher probability trade environment, right? Alright, so for today, we finally hit that order pairing high, which I had marked out yesterday. I told everybody as well, we're not trading in this range. This is bullshit. You want to wait and see what's one side of the range get taken out. If there's sponsorship behind it, we're going to look for shorts, right? That happened right now. I'm waiting for confirmation through sponsorship. Don't have to get in right now. There is no need. I will wait patiently. Even if this displays down lower and starts to print fair value gaps and everything, is okay. There will be a short-term high formed at some point, and I will short above that short-term high. So let's say this is actually confirmed today. Let's say it goes like this, and then it forms a high here. I will literally look for a short above the high here, right? That's what I want to wait for. I don't need to get in over here. I don't think it's likely that it can, but today's candle to go for all of this. There is FOMC meeting minutes, so maybe, but even then, there's still enough room to look for a setup tomorrow. But then I have confirmation, and having confirmation makes trading a lot easier, right? So I don't know if this will respect. So we tapped discount right now. If it starts to pummel through and forms another low risk sell and then starts to break down lower, easy setup. Any advice on watching? Oh, you're okay with patience, but when I see someone take a profitable trade on Twitter, that disappoints me. What's your advice? Close social media. Yeah. You only need to focus on you. That doesn't matter what anybody else does, right? You only focus on yourself. Fucking arm. I feel like ICT can trade with 100% win rate, but shows that he's unprofitable for 6. that you're not going fast enough, which is the problem here. You should not have that mindset. I'm going to explain to you why. You passed a challenge. Let's say this is a 10k, right? You're not going to make a bunch of money out of a 10k account. But let's say you have 500k accounts and you wait for one entry every week and make 2%. You just make 10k dollars in 1 week. But on the 10k account, you made $100 or $200. Right? It's the perspective of capital, my bro. You don't need more trades. You need more capital. Right? So take it slow. Acquire more capital and you can trade slow. I trade slow. I take 1 or 2 setups a week. But because I have capital, right? I don't have 10k accounts. I have 100k accounts. One trade setup can make me 4,000 in one trade. Right? So that is the perspective. And there are, you can see a very good example is, you guys probably know JadeCap on Twitter. Very respectable in my opinion. A lot of accounts. He has a lot of accounts. He has like 30 Apex accounts or whatever, like all those futures accounts. If he makes 1,500 or 2k on one account, doesn't sound like a whole lot on one account, but if you have 30 accounts, you make 60k in one session. That's the capital, the leverage of capital. You pass 2 phase 1s, but every time I get to phase 2, I blow it so fast because I'm anxious to make money. Yeah, that's a problem. And you will continue to blow it until you change up your attitude, right? And now look, let's say last week I made 5k on one setup. And then I go to Twitter and I see him make 60k, 120k. Should I then be sad that I only made 5k? No, you should not be sad. You made money. You beat the 90% of the marketplace, right? 5k is not as much as 60k, but maybe in 2 years I make 60k in one trade as well. I'm just not at that size yet, right? That's just, you need to think about it in your perspective. There's always a guy who makes more money than you. He makes 120k in 1 week. There's one motherfucker on Wall Street who plays around with 500k per trade, you know, and makes a 1.5 million in a setup. Those guys are there as well, right? Find your mentors, then cut out external noise, focus on you and improve the mentor's knowledge. That helped me a lot. Yeah, I like that, Marcelo. Yeah. I think if I had a mentor when I studied ICT, which I did not have, I probably would have progressed a lot faster. But for me, it took me 14 months before I went to consistency. Like 14 months is still not a long time. I think it's pretty fast still, 14 months. But then because everybody has a fried TikTok brain, they expect to be profitable within 2 or 3 months and they get mad if they're not profitable within 2 or 3 months. You gotta really temper the expectations. It's just like they always say like a doctor has to study 4 to 8 years to like become a doctor. And we're trading and it's one of the hardest things to do, like mentally, right? So why do you want to rush it so fast, right? Just take it slow, you know? I thought somebody asked, is it too late to get starting with trading at 29? I don't think so, man. I started at 27, so and now I'm 33. So yeah. Yo, Hamza, what up, man? I'm seeing the same chart as you on DXY EU, but I have a doubt. After 4-hour SMT, do I wait for the shift on 15 minutes and then entry, or can I enter on 5 minutes aggressively too? First of all, why do you want to enter aggressively? Just enter what your model tells you. I don't know your model. Maybe your model says I wait for 4-hour SMT and then a shift on the 15 minutes and then I engage on premium of the range or OTE level. then just take it, right? I'm not somebody who can tell you you need to go, you can go on the 5 minute as well and then trade aggressively. You need to compile your own data. That's why journaling is so important. If you don't journal, you don't know. You don't know where to take your buys, take your sells. You don't know how long your average trade duration is. You don't know what your risk reward should be. You don't know your win rate if you don't journal. So if you're not journaling, you're a lazy little person. Can we look at gold? I mean, gold is perma bull, so it's kind of hard to determine what you want to do here. You just, yeah, this looks like a consolidation in the making. So I would not engage on gold right now. Yeah, it definitely looks like it starts to consolidate on the lower time frame. I see you're come to live very rare. Can we expect a few more in the coming weeks? Yeah, I don't live stream too much, but I made this new office and I will record the more quality videos and pop in a live stream once in a while, probably once every 2-3 weeks maybe. I don't want to live stream too much on YouTube because I reserve that for the private group, right? Why do you always cry about missed trades like a child? Oh, you are the actually. Listen, this is the guy that commented before the video started, right? And then removed his comment, right? And now is he commenting again? How am I crying? Just explain to me. How am I crying? And what does wait? This like this is literally, I don't know how old you are. This could be a grown ass man, right? This man is probably not profitable at all. He is so mad about everything that he comes into a YouTuber, his live stream, and then he has to vent because he's just mad. But yeah, go ahead. Keep venting. It's okay. What the fuck? He's probably like, God damn it, this awesome. God, I can't make money, and he is so mad. That's how I view you right now. Some people, man. The price action is slow as well, so we have to talk about other stuff. What's my average win rate? It's about 65%. $65 to $70-ish. New trader here. What do you recommend I start doing? The man with a wrench next to his name being my moderator. I got you, YG. I got you. Oops. Big friend from India. Welcome, sir. How often do I use the double purge model? It's not required for me. It's nice to see it. The most liquid movement will be after the double purge. So if I see it and it lines up with my order pairing model, I will instantly hit it. For sure. YG stands for Young Giga Chat. Yes, it does. Yeah. Man, where's the guy? He just commented one thing and now he's gone. I thought we were having fun. I guess not. Did I ever have Thai curry? Yes, I have. Are you going to stream all days or is this only a one-time thing? What can I expect from the premium Discord? I try to live stream on YouTube once every 3 weeks, just to catch up with you guys. Because I know there are a lot of guys that like can't afford like a more expensive Discord subscription, right? So then once every 3-4 weeks I try to go live, right? Go through some of you guys' questions. But in the premium Discord I live stream 3 to 4 times a day. So that's what you can expect over there. My analysis, pre-market, weekly outlook, trade setups. If I see a high quality one, I will send it in. I'm not a signal service, so if you're looking for that, then go look for another group. But I focus mainly on psychology and proper setups rather than trying to fire shots every day. DXY bias? You need to wait for today, brother. It's not 100% clear right now. I can definitely see this run up one more time into the highs. And I'm not too keen on looking for lower right now. It can go lower today, but there's no sponsorship behind this move, so I don't see like a clear area where I want to engage. So I'm probably gonna wait for tomorrow. You don't show your taken positions in real time sometimes in the premium Discord? Not always, no. I don't. We don't advertise that as well. We're not a signal service, right? What's sponsorship? It's displacement, fair value gaps, SMT, willingness to move out of a key level. How much time do I spend in the premium Discord? I spend like almost all my day there, except for the evening, my time. So most of the time I'm online around 2 a.m. EST till about 11 a.m. EST. Right, nothing really much is happening right now. So, alright guys, I know I don't live stream too much, but I do appreciate you guys joining. So if you like the stream, make sure to hit the like button on the stream itself so other people can rewatch the live stream. I will update in my Telegram. If you haven't followed my Telegram, you can use the link in the description, right? And then I will update there, or my Twitter, also a link in the description, right? If you want to join the premium Discord, you can also hit the link in the description where you can see our analysis. My live streams are 4 times a week, 3 to 4 times a week if you want to join that, obviously. And yeah, guys, thank you for joining. Subscribe, like, comment, and I will see you in the next one. Hit that subscribe button, boys. Let's get it.